On to the next star in the 5-step routine of BDR is Revital pH. Revital always stands for protecting. Revital always stands for immune boosters. Revital always stands to vitalize the natural skin conditions. pH stands for pure harmony, and as the remove pH, as the recharge pH, also Revital pH is considered to be anti-inflammatory. Not only for impurities, not only for acne skin, but also for all the clients that suffer from redness, that have very much problems of rosacea, that have problems of cuperose. All sorts of inflammation processes are being smoothed down. So the pure harmony Revital is, if we have the combination, or if we have the differentiation between Revital and Revital pH, Revital pH is more anti-inflammatory, caused by the use of microsilver. We also are using an active ingredient called Seboclear TM, which balances also the sebum inside our skin. But the most important that you find in Revital and Revital pH is matrix seal, to rebuild the fiber tissue inside the skin. To have defensil, which is the defense shield of our skin, to really boost the immune system. So where clients usually would be sensitive to certain environmental effects or sensitive to certain creams, Revital always gives so much more power, so much more strength to make the skin less sensitive. Let's say the red line is being the red line when the skin starts to react. If this red line is very low and we have a very reactive skin, and this lady or this gentleman is using Revital constantly, this red line is being risen to a much higher level, so the skin will not be as reactive as it was before. And especially Revital pH, we can go here through the special ingredients. We have the Matrixyl 3000, so it's like an anti-aging effect, and to keep the skin young and active for a very, very long time. So starting today with Revital pH, you can use Revital products for years and skin stops aging. Seboclear DB is the activity that supports the sebum balance, is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. At the same time, it contains a tiny little bit of salicylic acid to always boost the keratinocytic effect. And Phytosan K stimulates the collagen synthesis, smoothens and firms the skin, reduce the depth of a wrinkle by bringing it further up. So for all age, from young age that suffer more from impurities and acne, Revital pH. For those clients that have a mixed skin and they like to balance the oily areas of their skin and still have a good regenerator, Revital pH. Those clients that suffer from redness, cuperoses, rosacea, Revital pH. Those clients that have the special need to give the skin more support in the meaning of residue, of the meaning of being more stable, Revital, Revital pH, or Revital EP, because all Revital products boost the natural immune system.